Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Ya ka Shillong Government Engineering College, kawadan Mawlai Kenton Masar, on Sdang no Shen, Tang Maria yo ekajing menjor, dan ekajing ben na All India Council for Technical Education. Ya kanila jubab do Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jila u Rakam Sangma, ya kajing keli belawan ra, do MLA ke Mawlai u ba Bright Star Well Marpenyang, hayeng darbar thawaan jo ke Jila. Ka Shillong Government Engineering College kadai ke bela do Menteri Rang Bakal Jila u Konrad K Sangma haka khan re trik Kuala Lengkot arja pulai hanrei hadu mentaru empat siem lala man pentrikam namar bompat siem layo jingbet naka AICTE bat empat siem lala rupan thongkam yaki beriau hadu menta u Menteri Sorkar roong batang mario jingbet ken sedang no ekakam bat Shen on penrung kelas no yaki khana ki bakwa puli engineering.
Bright Star Well Marbanyang, Sri Rakhame Sangma Minister in charge to reply, please.
Speaker, sir. Reply to question number 17, sir. So the status of the Shillong College of Engineering is detailed below. Sir, number 1, the building construction, that is academic block, administrative block, boys and girls hostel of the Shillong College of Engineering, Shillong, and completed and inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya on 16 January 2023. Sir, number 2, sir, the service connection, that is water supply, electric connection of Shillong Engineering College are in place. So number 3, the government has conveyed the approval of establishment of Shillong College of Engineering and 55 posts were created. So number 4, the government has allowed additional director of polytechnic and Shillong Engineering College to hold additional church as principal of the Shillong College of Engineering. So number 5, government has conveyed approval of 13 existing faculty of Shillong Polytechnic who are qualified for teaching in the college. So number 6, so North Eastern Hill Nehru sir has conveyed approval for provisional appellation for Shillong College of Engineering for a period of 3 years. Sir, number 7, so on 26, 2024, Shillong Government College has Engineering has applied for All India Council of Technical approval to start 2 technical courses, this is civil engineering and electrical engineering. And subsequently to AICTE committee were held on 22nd, 125 and 4 to 2025. Experts from AICTE have advised the college authority to comply with some of the building deficiency in which are being addressed.
Yes. Your supplementary question, please.
May I know from the Minister in charge, Education, whether the above 55 posts created have been advertised or not? If yes, when? And if no, why?
CPS, sir? Not yet, sir.
May I know the reason?
Sir, as I have already replied, we are waiting for the approval of the AICTE first.
As you have pointed out with regards to the AICTE expert inspection, where they have pointed out some infrastructure deficiencies. So what are the infrastructure deficiencies pointed out by the expert from AICTE? Whether these deficiencies, they are major or minor in nature?
Speaker, sir, so AICTE observation is about the building, some building rooms, I mean mainly of the administrative blocks and which are being addressed now.
Why I'm asking, because I don't know whether the government, while constructing this building, have they gone through the AICTE guidelines, because as far as my knowledge is concerned, before building any building, whether classroom or laboratory or whatever, you have to follow certain guidelines. I just want to know whether the government, before constructing this building, have consulted or have followed the guidelines of AICTE, where they have to make some adjustment later on.
Speaker, sir, sometime AICTE norms for infrastructure and faculty are updating every year to come up with a changing trend of technology. So in this case, sir, the observation of the ICT is being addressed, and we are expecting to see the light of the day at the very earliest, sir.
So finally, when can we expect this session to start after it has been inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister since 16th of January 2023? When can we expect?
Speaker, sir, in fact, as a government, we want to start at the earliest possible. But as soon as when we get the approval, the permission of the AICT, we will start the academic sessions at the earliest.
Mr. Jim, please.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Since this subject is related to government college, engineering college, regarding Rongjeng Degree Model College, I also want to know some answer from Honorable Education Minister. May I know the reason why our teachers of Rongjeng Degree Model College are not getting salary for almost 4 months, and even principal also, he is not getting salary for 9 months. This morning he is calling me and he's complaining me. He's talking about his hardships, sir. Even he is going to college on scooty, and even his wife also not respecting him anymore. So, sir, is there any reason behind this not getting salary?
Sir, I think I'm loud enough, sir.
No,
This question, this set of question is from the same book but from different chapters. But, however, sir, honorable member can inform the faculty members from the Rongjeng College, the being examined, and they will get.
Honorable Education Minister, one more question, sir. Whether this government has sanctioned any permanent post, government post, to our degree model college for teachers?